Welcome back, kids. Today we are going to learn English subject. Here, unit number 7, poem number 1, traffic rules. What is there? Traffic rules. Now, when we go out of the house, that time, have you saw traffic? Yes or no? We can see traffic on the roads. Yes or not? Look here. In this picture, we can see some vehicles are there. This is traffic. Okay, and we mostly see this traffic in a cities or on a highway. Yes or not? There are some traffic rules. In this poem we will see some traffic rules. Which are these? We will see in it. Okay, first I read this poem. You listen carefully and then I will explain it. Okay, look here. Here is your poem. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. What is here? Here are some rules. What should we do when we are on the road? Okay. Now look here. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or on your feet, मीन्स जब भी आप बाहर जाते हो स्ट्रीट पे, फिर वो व्हीकल में जाओ या फिर पैदल, देन व्हाट विल यू डू? व्हाट शुड यू डू? लुक आउट फॉर इच ट्रैफिक साइन. You have to follow traffic sign, each traffic sign. Why? Why we follow this traffic sign? To keep you safe, secure and fine. You must see traffic sign to keep safe, secure and fine. If you broke these rules, then we got in trouble. So we have to follow these rules. Okay. Then to cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. What we have to use to cross the road? In this stanza, you can see here we have to use zebra crossing. Why? To cross the road we have to use zebra crossing because why? That time signals is in red color and the vehicles were stopped, and this is the time to cross the road. Okay, so cross the road with the help of this zebra crossing. Okay, why we call it zebra crossing? Have you seen zebra? Zebra also white and black strips on its body. It has white and black strips. Yes or not? And like that black and white strips, on this zebra crossing there are also black and white strips. So we called it zebra crossing. So we have to use zebra crossing to cross the road when the signal is turned in red color. Okay. Okay. Now we will repeat this poem. I will sing it. You can also try to sing with me. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. It's a very small poem, but here they tell us to follow the traffic rules. Okay, and it's must to keep us safe. Okay, now we will see here some signals. There are traffic signals. So look here, traffic signal for vehicle. When you go with your parents, that time you have you see these signals. First is red. When it turns in red color, that time you have to stop your vehicle. Your parents also stop at that time, yes or not? And when the signal turns in yellow color, that time you have to get ready. Be very careful when it turns in yellow. Okay. Then here is green color. What is here? When the signal turns in green color, that time it is safe to go. Means you can go ahead. They obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe because you are precious. Means we should follow the all rules of traffic signals. Okay, here are three signals. First is red, then yellow, and then here is green. It's used to stop, it's used to get ready, and it's used to go ahead. Okay, next here are some words. Let's listen and write. We will see these words. First word is watch. WATCH, watch. Second is go. GO, go. Third is STOP, stop. STOP, stop. Then fourth, WITH OUT, without. WITH with, OUT out. This is the combination of with and out, without. Okay. Then FEET, feet. FEET, feet. Next, STREET, street. STREET, street. GREEN, green. GREEN, green. Next is RED, red. RED, red. Then YELLOW, yellow. YELLOW, yellow. Then walking, WALKING, walking. This is walking. Next is crossing, CROSSING, crossing. Then YOUR, your. Your. Then READY, ready. READY, ready. USE, use. USE, use. RULES, rules. RULES, rules. This is rules. Okay. So you have to write these words in your English notebook 5 times. Now here, make as many smaller words as possible from the words given below. So look here. First word is auto rickshaw. Okay. So we find here some words. First is auto, AUTO, auto. Then TO, to. OUT, out. SHOW, show. COW, cow. RAT, rat. CAT, cat. AS, as. AT, at. IT, it. You can also find out more words from this one word, auto rickshaw. Then second word is here motorcycle. Now you'll find some words. Here is motor, cycle, TO2, LET, late, TOM, Tom, MY, my, TOY, toy, etc. Okay. Now we will see that what is next. Here is exercise. This is your work, homework. Okay. Now here is fifth exercise. Describe any vehicle of your choice in 2 or 3 lines. Which vehicles you like most? So you have to write 2 or 3 lines about this vehicle. Then sixth exercise here. Draw or stick pictures of various kinds of vehicles and paste them in your word file. Word file means in your notebook. Okay. Write the name of each picture below it. So paste the picture of vehicles. You can paste the picture of truck, tractor, tempo, bicycle, bus, scooter, car, auto rickshaw, jeep, boat, sheep, train, plane, bullock cart or motorcycle. Okay. So you have to paste this or draw these pictures and write the name below each picture. Okay. I hope you understood this poem. So thank you. Bye.